I need the flower, please. Alhamdulillah, bring the flower.
The temperature right now is 102 in this area, and you can see we are committed to serve the community because our clients, they need food. They don't care what the weather, how the situation is. So we are fulfilling our commitment with them, and that's why they trust us, and they know whatever day and time and situation the weather is. If the distribution is scheduled, they will receive the food. That's what we are doing right now. You can see our more than 20 volunteers who are here to help us. My team, all the staff members, they are out here to support and help the community. We are giving them extra lemonade and trying to make them hydrated. We are also giving some extra water to the clients. So alhamdulillah, this is all because of the support we get from the community and the trust and the confidence they have in ICNA Relief. Please visit icnarelief.org to support our activities. Jazakallah khair.